Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Susan and today I want to share with you on how I made this Ankara gather skirt. It's actually a short gather skirt, so it's beginners friendly. Yes, as a beginner, this is one of the skirts you should be learning how to make. It is very simple and we are going to be making this in less than 10 minutes. If this sounds like what you like to learn, stay online while we get started. I'm going to be using this Ankara and this zipper, and I'm going to be using this lining to actually recreate this skirt. So this is the fabric I have. This is about 3 yards of Ankara. So I'm going to, first thing, you're going to determine the length you want to be working with. You're going to minus your band. So I'm actually making this for a friend. So she actually asked me she doesn't want it to be very short because she's wearing it to church. So this is the length I'm going to be working with. The length I'm going to be working with is going to be 30. It's going to be 29. So after that, I'm just going to mark that 29. Then I'm going to minus the band. Then I'm going to add about 1.5 inches for seam allowance. Half inch you're going to use in joining you're going to use the half inch in joining the band, and you're going to use the other 1 inch. You're going to fold the down. So that's it. So I'm just going to measure it. So when I'm done measuring it, I'm also going to determine which part of this particular fabric I want to go up and which part I want it to be down. So you're going to be doing that also when you're making your own. So before I proceed, I want to use this medium to thank my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back. And to you that just saw my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification button, and share to your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So this is me just tearing the length that I'm actually working with. So this is it. I'm sharing this length that I'm actually working with. This is the length. So this is it for the gathers. You're just going to go ahead to the machine. You're going to stitch a straight line. When you're stitching the straight line, you're actually using the last part of your machine. Like, you're going to make it loose. You're sewing it loose. If you're using the industrial machine, it's going to be 5. Then if you're using the manual machine, you're actually taking it down. You're actually taking it down, so it's going to be flexible. Then if you're using the manual machine, you're going to be using one thread front, and then the other thread is going to be backward, but it's going to be long. So when you're done stitching it, you're going to go ahead and gather it like this. You're going to be drawing it. You can see how I'm drawing it. So you can actually stitch two. You can stitch two so that it will be simple. In case the other one, when you are drawing it cuts, you still have another one for you to continue. So it was just me just stitching on in this fabric, a straight fabric with about half inch, just straight, you get me. So after that, you're just going to draw it. This is what we call gathers, like you're gathering it together. So this is what we call gathers skirts. So if you're making your blouses, if you're making your gown and you have any gathering, this is exactly how you're going to do it. You just stitch one straight line and just draw it this way as I am drawing it. You can see it's actually very simple, guys. And as you're gathering it, you make sure that you keep about an extra inch, 1 or 2 inches by the sides. That's going to serve as your zipper allowance. So you can see there is 2 inches aside from here, and there is 2 inches the other side. You can see, so we are not going to be gathering up to that point. So you can see the gathers are not enough because I gathered too much. So I'm going to release them and make sure that they are enough. Then I'll keep it aside while I go ahead and cut the band that we're going to be using. So the waist I'm working with is actually 29. So I'm going to be cutting 29. Then I'll add 2 inches extra. The width is going to be 2 inches band. That means I'm cutting 4. You can see okay, that means I'm cutting 5 inches. So when I'm done cutting that 5 inches, I'm going to go ahead now. Look at it, it's 5 inches. So after that, I'm going to bring it. I've already gone ahead to add pepper stay to it. You must add pepper stay to your own so it will be firm. So after that, I just notch the midpoint of this. I notch the midpoint, and from that midpoint I'm going to do 14.5, which is half of the waist, and I'm going to go ahead and mark there. So the remaining part is the zipper allowance. I'll not just notch that point, so I'll know that my gathers are going to be ending there. Then from this other side, from the midpoint, I'm also going to be taking the 14.5 to, which is the half inch of the half length of the waist. So that's basically it. So I'm just going to go ahead now and I'll notch the gathers. Then I'm going to go over to the machine. I'll stitch from this end, and when I'm done stitching from this end, this is how it is, guys. And I'm also going to, when you're stitching, you're going to be arranging it. This is how your gathers are going to be coming out fine. When you're stitching it on the band, you're arranging it. You can see I've stitched it, and I'm going to go over to this side also. I'll stitch it. As I'm stitching, I'm arranging the gathers. Make sure you arrange the gathers when you're stitching it, just like that. Be arranging it when you are stitching it, so they will come out beautiful. So that's it. So I am done with it. Look at it. I'm done stitching it all together. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead now and bring the lining, because you're going to be using lining. So you're going to determine if you want it to be a full lining, if you want it to be an half lining, any length you're going to be using. It all depends on what you want. So I'm going to measure the length of this fabric, what I actually have, so I'll know what I'm actually going to cut. So this is the length I'm going to be using. The length of the Ankara, the length of the skirt is actually 29, so I'm going to be using about 25 inches. You can do 28 also. So when I'm stitching it this way, I'm going to be also pleating it. I'm going to be pleating. The length is actually, I use 27. Then I'm going to be using, on this other width, I'm going to be using, this is what I'm using the full length of the Ankara, the full length of the lining, which is 57. So I'm using it just that way. So as I'm stitching it, I'm going to be gathering it. Remember, I'm stitching it on the top of the gathers. I'm stitching it on the top. So when I'm done stitching it on the top like that, I'm going to flip it over to the side, so the upper part is going to be neat. Just flip it over to the other side, you can see. So that's it. So when I was stitching it, I did not actually knitting the band. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to lose a little bit. Then when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead from the band. I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way. Then I'll stitch it that way. When I'm done, I'll bring it out. You can see when I was done stitching, this is it. So I'll bring it out, and it's going to be neat as when you saw it before. So I just had to bring it back so that you guys will see it. So this is how it's going to be. It will be neat. So that means you have half an inch up. Yes, you have half an inch. That means when you're sewing you're going to leave about half an inch. You can see this half an inch is what we are going to be using. The half an inch is what we're actually going to be using to turn this side of this skirt. So after that, I'll just complete that part. Look at it. Then at the down part where there is no lining, I'm just going to fold it this way. I'll fold it. Just fold it so it will be neat, or you can weave it actually. So this is it. When I was done turning the side, you can see how it is. So I'm going to go ahead now and put them together like this. You can see how our gather skirt has come out already. So I'm going to go ahead now to shape it. Like, I'm going to go ahead now to measure the allowance that we added, because we're actually going to be stitching it but from the back. So I'm going to be measuring a waist. So after I'll mark it, because that's where we're going to be adding our zipper, and that's also where we are going to be shaping from here till down. So from what we have here, I'm going to just take it down. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to just fold. This is it. You're going to go ahead now and fold it this way, and you're going to stitch it down to you keep your zipper allowance. So the zipper I'm going to be using is going to be about 8 inches long. So this is the skirt that I was done. It didn't actually close from the zipper because it's not actually my own. It's actually for a friend. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for always stopping by. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next one. Bye.